Welcome back, Cooking Squad. How's it going? On today's episode, I'm going to be asking you, what options do you want? What options do you want me to make for you? Okay, so the first option, because I'm using my phone for this because I wrote them down. The first option is option A. I can do cakes and cupcakes on Monday. I can do cookies on Wednesday for you guys. And I can do Random Friday, which means you guys give me the idea of what you want to see. Option B is cookies Mondays. Random on Wednesday. And cakes and cupcakes on Fridays. Okay, that means it's going to be cake or cupcakes on Friday. One or the other, not all the same. Option C is Random Monday. Cake and cupcakes on Wednesday. And cookies on Friday. Okay, now those are the three options there is, but there is another option. Option D, okay, is there a day that you guys want to see me create, create food, like make real food? Like steak or pork or lamb chops or ribs or something, whatever, on a different day. Like you want to put those random days to just to regular real food, or do you want it just to stay with all baking? What would you like to see? I would like to know what you guys want. Okay, I gave you 4 options, so those are the 4 options I have, and I would like to know what you want to see. So in the end result is, what do you want to see me create for you guys? That is what I'm trying to get out of this, okay? Because I'm kind of stuck and I need your input. So please do that, because it could really help me a lot, and it could help you a lot, so you can know what days are things coming. So please comment below on what option you want. It'll be in the description what the options are. So if you don't remember, you can go and look in the descriptions. Also, remember to hit that thumbs up button. Squash it, smash it, high five it, do whatever you have to. Hit that thumbs up button. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And also, remember to subscribe to my channel. And one of the most important things is, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you so much for being part of Cooking Squad. And remember, the most important thing is keep calm and cook on.